Store.
All right, we're going to take you over to the View in just 1 second. I want to update you what's been going on right now. And it's still a pretty heavy snow for all of Baltimore County out towards Harford County. You go from Reisterstown to Westminster. You're seeing a decent amount of snow right now. But notice as we go down to the south and west, notice the rain-snow line starting to inch its way towards the north. Still a really tough commute along 70 right now. Sykesville, Eldersburg still reporting some moderate snows right now. And that will be the case over the next about 25 to 35 minutes before a changeover will begin. Notice the rain-snow line. It's inching its way through Anne Arundel County, northern Anne Arundel County, and then it will be over the southern city limits, right over the airport, over the next, again, 25 to 35 minutes. So the rain-snow line, again, just towards the south and the east. You notice really heavy rain down over Easton, all of the eastern shore from the Bay Bridge on to the south, and that is what's inching its way towards the north. So cold air still in place right now. It's still snowing from the city on points to the north and west, but to the south, that is where the warm air is to be found, and that's what's moving towards the north. Look at the temperatures. Annapolis still at 34 degrees, 34 in Easton, but you compare that to the 20s and around 30 in Timonium. So that is the milder air that's marching into the cold air, and of course that is why we're seeing the snow at the present hour. So in terms of what we're expecting, again, winter weather advisories, that's going to be up until 1 o'clock this afternoon, and then as you go to, I should say 1 o'clock this afternoon, there you go, and up towards the North Carroll County and out towards Frederick County, that advisory is going to go up through the course of the afternoon. We are expecting a wintry mix the further north and west you head. So again, snow to rain eventually, a coating to 1 inch, a solid 1 inch for many locations. You go just outside the Beltway, you'll start to see 2, perhaps some localized 3-inch amounts, and then up into Carroll County, northern Baltimore County, out towards Manchester, Thurmont, right around the Hanover Pike, you'll be dealing with close to 3 inches before a wintry mix of some sleet, even some freezing rain will take hold. And then beyond that, going out towards western Maryland, 5 to 12 inches of snow before we're all said and done. So again, a solid inch on the ground in many locations, but you'll see higher amounts the further north and west you head, especially outside of I-83 during the course of the afternoon. Icecast, and again, notice we've been headlining northwestern Baltimore County into Carroll County. That's where you could see some ice accretion during the course of the afternoon hours. Just be aware of that. It's certainly going to be some dangerous roadways over the northern tier of the state. So there's the heavy rain mushing in from south to north. That'll be in here during the course of the afternoon. The second headline will be some very heavy rain. Look at the rain totals from Baltimore City on towards the eastern shore. 1 to 2 inches of rain, maybe a rumble or 2 of thunder out over the eastern shore. So for the rest of the afternoon, we'll get eventually to 40 degrees with heavy rain and that wintry mix towards the north. We'll have another weather update coming up at noontime to take you over to the View, currently in progress.